Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that was mentioned in one of my live streams a couple Saturdays ago. Dealing with your vices now. And so I'm just going to touch on it lightly, and I'm going to tell you the best thing to do is go back and watch that live stream video. Yes, it's about an hour and 20 minutes or so, maybe a little bit more. But your vices can cause you problems in an emergency. Now, there's a whole bunch of different type vices, everything from tobacco, alcohol, drugs for some, sugar is a vice, chocolate can be a vice, gambling, whatever it is that is a vice for you, deal with it. If it's coffee, and you got to have coffee, do you have enough on hand, stored up to get you through a minor or major disaster or event that's going to stop the food chain from working for a while, okay? So, figure out your vices, good, bad, or indifferent. Figure out a way to deal with them. I didn't say have to quit, I said deal with, all right? So, go back, check out that live stream. It was on Survival Saturday. And stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, and if you can, try growing an indoor garden for year-round garden for 2024. All right?